Peace, love, and gratitude. Thank you for joining me. I am Amethyst, and we will move into this solar plexus yoga flow. The solar plexus is all about our personal power, our drive, our energy, our life force, the vitality within us to help us move forward in life. So let's go ahead and get started. Seated on your mat, get comfortable wherever you are. Begin by inhaling your arms all the way up to the sky. Bring the palms together. Exhale slowly down through your heart space. And then gently place your hands right below your rib cage, right above your navel. And begin to notice your breath. Notice your body in this moment, and gently begin to visualize this beautiful bright light flowing through your body, giving you momentum and motivation to have the will, the strength, and the power to move forward in life. Gently bring your hands down to your knees and continue to hold on to this beautiful bright light as you move throughout this practice. And as you inhale and exhale, breathe in the light that is within you. Begin by sending your left ear to your left shoulder. Place that left hand gently on your head. Your right arm is on your lower abdomen. Just feel this neck stretch. Inhale that right arm all the way up, both arms up together. Inhale in. Exhale, send your right ear to your right shoulder. Right hand on head, left hand on your lower abdomen. Breathe in. Send that light and oxygen to the left side of your neck. And gently bring your palms down to your knees. Begin some neck rolls towards your left. And continue all the way around. Let's reverse it on the other side. Go the other way. Breathe in as you rotate back and open up your chest. Still visualizing that beautiful light. Bring your head up to center. Begin some shoulder rolls to the back. And then gently reverse them forward. Maybe bring your elbows, your hands into it, and gently place your hands on your knees. Begin a seated cat-cow. Inhale, open up the chest. Exhale, send your chin to your chest, curve your spine. Again, inhale, send your chest forward. Exhale, dome your spine, chin to chest. One last time, open up, send your chest forward. Exhale, curve your spine and come back to center. Inhale the arms all the way up. Exhale that left arm down to the ground. And inhale that arm back up again to meet your right. Let's send the right arm down this time. Bring that right arm back up to the ceiling. And exhale, lean over to your left for this lateral stretch. Inhale, both arms all the way up. Exhale, over to your right. And find center, arms up to the ceiling. Bring the palms together. Exhale down over your lower abdomen. Just again, take a moment to connect to your body, connect to that light within you, knowing that you can get through anything at this time. You have the willpower and the strength to move forward in this season of your life. Extend your legs out in front of you. Flex the feet. Lengthen the spine. Just take a moment to feel the ground beneath you. Inhale and exhale, walk your hands forward for a forward fold. Inhale again and exhale, try to bring your chest closer to your thighs. Keep that light with you as you inhale and exhale. And just breathe. And slowly walk your hands all the way back up. Cross your left foot over that right knee. Inhale your left arm up. Exhale, take this lateral twist. Right hand is to the back. Left hand is in front of your knee. Or if you choose, you can bring that arm around your knee. Whatever feels good to you. Again, yoga is about doing what's comfortable for you. Listening to your body. Inhale the arms all the way up. Go ahead and cross that right foot over your left knee. Inhale and exhale, twist over to your left. Lengthen through that spine. Maybe look over that left shoulder. Inhale, arms back up to the ceiling. Uncross your legs. Palms together. Exhale down. Place your palms on your thighs. And let's go ahead and move into your child's pose. Knees wide to the mat. Big toes to touch. Send your hips down to your heels. And exhale, float the body to the mat. And just breathe. Deep cleansing breath right here. Inhale deep through the nose. Expand your belly. And exhale it out with a deep sigh. Maybe you decide to rock your head from side to side. And gently walk yourself all the way back up. Lower the body to the ground. Stack your hands, place your forehead on your fingers, lift those feet into the air and sway from side to side. Just take a moment to breathe and really press your lower abdomen into the earth, into your mat. Bring your feet down. Hands come to chest, lift up for cobra so your chest is lifted off the ground. Again, pressing that solar plexus center into the earth. Exhale down to meet the earth. Stay here for just a moment. Inhale again, lift up into cobra. Connect that lower abdomen to the ground. And exhale all the way down. Move into a locust position, where we lift the chest, the arms, and the feet. Keep your legs extended on the ground if you choose, or maybe bring your arms down. Again, just doing what feels good to you. Hold for just a moment and exhale down. Let's do that one more time. Just take a moment to relax here on the earth. And then go ahead and lift the body off the ground. Try to bring your chest, your arms, and your legs off of the earth, pressing that solar plexus into your mat. And release the body back down to the earth. Let's move into a tabletop position. Tuck your toes. Hover the body, lift the knees off the ground. Send your hips back and then straighten the legs. We've moved into a downward dog. Take a moment to breathe in that light in this calming, resting position. And gently walk your feet up to meet your hands. And then slowly roll the body up, standing. Make sure the head is the last to come up. Inhale the arms all the way up as we move into a sun salutation. Go ahead and take a slight back bend. Inhale again and exhale, swan dive down to meet the earth. Inhale for halfway lift. Keep a flat back. Hands come to your shins. Exhale, bring the palms down to the earth. Step back into your plank position. Hold here for just a moment. You can bring your knees to the mat this time and slowly lower down to meet the earth. Inhale up for upward facing dog. Your chest and thighs are off of the mat. Maybe tuck your toes here and move into your downward facing dog. Lengthen the spine. Press your chest towards your thighs. Look between your toes. And gently walk your feet back up for a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release the body, forward fold. And again, slowly roll the body up with the head being the last to come up. Inhale the arms, palms together, and exhale down through your heart space and down for mountain pose, palms facing forward. Go ahead and take a moment to shake it out. Relax the body. Let's do that one more time. Inhale the arms all the way up. Slight back bend. Open up the chest. Exhale, swan dive down again to meet your mat. Inhale for halfway lift. And exhale, forward fold. Hands meet the mat. Step back into your plank. I'm going to go ahead and move through my chaturanga. Inhale up for upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe here. Inch your feet in if you need to. And let's gently walk the feet back up to meet your hands. Inhale, halfway lift here again. Exhale, forward fold. And slowly roll the body all the way up. Inhale the arms as you lift. Palms together. Exhale down through the body. And then down in mountain. Palms facing forward. Bringing your attention back to your body, back to that light. Maybe place your hands over that lower abdomen again, the area right below your rib cage. Breathe in that beautiful light that you are. And let's gently meet ourselves slowly back down to the mat. And let's be gentle with ourselves here. Come back into our child's pose, asana or posture. I'm actually going to bring my knees together this time and extend my arms down by my sides, meeting my feet. But if you like to widen your knees and that's better for you in this moment, then please do that. And again, just simply breathe. Bring that beautiful light back into your awareness. And whenever you're ready, slowly move out of that and come on to your back. Slowly make your way down to the earth. Bring your knees into your chest. Hug your knees in. And let's bring some solar plexus fire into our practice. Hands behind your head. Extend your right leg all the way out with your left bent. And let's begin to rotate and do some ab crunches here. Rotating the legs in, meeting your elbow. Just building up a little bit of heat. Keep going. And gently release the body. Hug your knees in again. Just take a moment to breathe. And slowly bring your feet down to the mat. Expand your arms like a T. And gently rotate your knees over to your right. Creating a twist here. Your gaze, your eyes are towards your left side. And just noticing how your body feels. Breathing in this beautiful fire, willpower, energy. And let's inhale the knees through center and exhale, rotate over to the other side. What should be your left, your head is towards your right. And just breathe. And bring your knees through center. Hug them in one last time. And slowly extend the legs down to meet the earth. Your arms are down by your side in Shavasana or Mommy pose. Allowing this beautiful light to travel through your feet, your ankles, your calves, your thighs, your pelvis, your womb space or creative space, your solar plexus, your heart, your throat, your face, your mind. Breathe in this beautiful bright light, knowing that you can and you will. And whenever you're ready, move on to your favorite side. Come into a fetal position. Really try to get your knees in. Contract that belly. Feel the muscles in that solar plexus energy wheelhouse. I love this fetal position because it reminds me to start again, to start anew. And then whenever you're ready, come into your seated position. Take your time. And just place your hands on your knees to get us grounded, to connect back to our breath and the light within. And know that if you are feeling procrastination or laziness, oversleeping, or even overworking, or any type of aggressive behavior, know that you can always return to your solar plexus energy. And together, let's begin to inhale our arms all the way out and up to the sky. Bring your palms together. Exhale down to your third eye or your first eye, knowing that you can see clearly. And then lower down to your throat, that you can speak clearly, that your thoughts, your visions, your opinions are valid and needed. And then gently place your hands over your heart, knowing that you are loved. And then lastly, below your rib cage, breathing in that beautiful light of strength, of drive, of passion, of willpower that is already within you. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my root and sacral videos, which I will link below for you to join me on this chakra healing series.